Hey guys, this is Joann'S Crafty Adventures. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the glare, but I just want to show you my crafty haul before I put it away. I went to Tuesday Morning and Joann's, and I'm going to start with some Joann's haul. This is a tag from the Horizon collection, so I can pair it with my other products. This is all I have from the Horizon, so I'm going to see what we can do with that. And then this is Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. Finally was able to grab that. Next, I just have some loose paper. This is from Flourish, and this one is another one from Flourish, and this is the back. I was able to get 2 of that. In my Joann's, I think the 20-cent for a 12 by 12 sheet of paper is until the 24th, so make sure you call your Joann's and you don't miss the deal. This one, another Flourish, absolutely gorgeous. Everybody saw that already. This is the back part. I am excited to cut this apart, and this is the back part of that. And right there, absolutely gorgeous, and love me some Paige Evans. And these are some loose American crafts. It's a little bit thinner paper actually, but I was thinking just fussy cut them, and it will be super cute for the kids' projects. So here's some baby girl, like baby album stuff that I got because I have a lot of coworkers who just gave birth, and I want to make them some baby albums for their baby girl and baby boy. So that's what I'm thinking of doing with this. And these are so cute. Maybe like projects lifestyle. So I got multiples of that. This could be like background. And then we have 2 boys, 2 baby boys that was born in our Edie Kaiser family. So I'm gonna be giving them some of that. Some cute paper. This is super cute for project life, so that's what I'm gonna do with that. This is for the baby boy albums. Some background paper. I think I can match it with my stash. So those are super cute. I'm trying to get through this. I don't want to bore you guys. But this one, look at these, so cute for like a baby album. And it's easier for the parents to keep track of. Beautiful colors. And this I'm gonna fussy cut. I don't know from what collection this came from, but I think it's absolutely super cute. Good for birthday cards. Some more birthdays. I think I need to create my stash of birthday cards again. And this would be super cute for actually anything. Anything at all. Oh, I still have one of this. And then I found this for fall, because why not? And 1 sheet of this, because it was 20 cents. And then I got some multiples of this. Excuse me. Because I want to create some Jen Hadfield, so I'm going to use this paper to create a frame and then make my own frame embellishments. I think it's going to be absolutely cool. So I'll try to share that one once I get it. And this is 1 page from, of course, American Crafts that I'm going to use for our travel this July. And then I only got 2 things from Tuesday Morning. This is a sheet from Amy Tangerine. It's called Hustle and Heart, and this is $1.99 for I think 25 sheets. I like the thick paper, and I can use it for 3D bags, gift tags, and treats, and albums actually. This next one, absolutely gorgeous, and this is from the Confetti Wishes. It's so beautiful. I was so excited. All I have from the confetti wishes is a 6x6, but this is awesome. And look at the back. Oh my goodness. How cute. Anyways, that's the end. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment if you would like. And thank you for watching. Have a crafty day. Bye.